The mystery behind fat cat, explained. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase, fat cat. No, we're not talking about chubby felines. By the end of this video, you'll understand the history, meaning, and usage of this intriguing phrase. When you hear the words fat and cat, you might immediately think of a large, chubby feline. And you wouldn't be wrong. In its most literal sense, a fat cat could refer to a cat that is overweight. But in the English language, words and phrases often have meanings beyond the literal, and fat cat is a perfect example. In a more figurative sense, the term fat cat is often used in English to describe a wealthy, powerful, and sometimes arrogant person. It's especially used to refer to those who use their wealth or power to influence things in their favor. Think of big business tycoons, influential politicians, or anyone who seems to be living the high life without much apparent effort. For example, in a sentence, the fat cats in the company always get the biggest bonuses. While the exact origin is debated, many believe the term fat cat started in the 1920s in the United States. It was used to describe rich political donors who would make large contributions to politicians in hopes of gaining influence. Over time, its usage expanded to describe any wealthy or influential individual, especially if they seem to be using their resources for personal gain. 1. The town's fat cats met at the exclusive club to discuss business. 2. She's become a fat cat ever since her company took off. 3. Most of the decisions are made by a few fat cats at the top. Remember, the term can be a bit negative or derogatory, so use it wisely. And that's a wrap on fat cat. It's always fascinating how simple words can take on such intricate meanings over time. We hope this video has shed some light on this catchy English phrase. Keep exploring the language, and remember, every word or phrase has a story to tell. Happy learning!